quiet song. The day begins, but it's not long before I sit, just me and steam. A gentle pause, a waking dream. Oh, the world can wait, I'll take my time. Sip the quiet, sweet and sublime. In this stillness I feel whole, peaceful solitude, it soothes my soul. The sun spills gold on wooden floors. Soft light dances, opens doors. The ticking clock, it doesn't rush.